Is your Acura RDX key fob not working? Don't panic, your 2019-2021 RDX has a backup. First, detach the mechanical key hidden inside the fob. Use this key to unlock the driver's door manually. Then, with the brake pedal pressed, hold the dead fob close to the start-stop button and press the button. The car should start. If it doesn't, consult your manual for the valet key slot location and attempt starting that way. This proximity method works because the car can still detect the fob's RFID chip, even with a dead battery. Remember, cold weather and frequent use can drain the fob battery faster. After successfully starting, replace the fob's CR2032 battery as soon as possible. They're inexpensive and readily available. If replacing the battery doesn't solve the problem, or the car doesn't start with the proximity method, a software issue or immobilizer lockout may be the cause. Check Acura's website with your VN to see if your RDX was affected by the 2021-2022 key fob recall and if the necessary repairs have been completed. To prevent future issues, avoid exposing the fob to extreme temperatures and consider carrying a spare battery. A software update released in late 2024 improves fob battery life in affected models and can be applied at dealerships. For persistent problems, consult an Acura dealer for professional diagnosis and reprogramming.